Namaskar and welcome. I Yatharth Sikka. In the next few minutes, we'll be getting the top news of the last 24 hours. In the Delhi fridge murder case, Sahil Gehlot has confessed the killing of his live-in partner Nikki Yadav. He told the police that Nikki's body was in the car while he was getting married to another girl and then went to dump her body in the dhaba's refrigerator. In the Nikki Yadav murder case, NCW chief Rekha Sharma has sought police report. We feel girls aren't safe in the live-in relationship. Not only girls but families also responsible for such incident. If girls are given right to select their partner, these types of incident can decrease, says NCW chairperson. On February 14, 2023, the Kerala High Court decided that the Kaliyottu festival at Major Veliani Bhadrakali Devi Temple has to be conducted in accordance with the customs, rituals and practices of the temple. The Honorable Justices Anil K. Narendrama and P.G. Ajit Kumar heard the writ petition challenging the order issued by the District Magistrate of Thiruvananthapuram, which directed the use of politically neutral colors as decoration for the festival at Major Veliani Bhadrakali Devi Temple. On February 15, 2023, another case of perpetrated love jihad came to light from Kaushambi district of Uttar Pradesh, where Muhammad Arif, disguised as Hindu named Guddu Rajput, befriended and got into a relationship with Chanda, a 35-year-old widow. The couple was in a live-in relationship. UP police revealed that they had apprehended the accused Arif for brutal killing of Chanda after she refused to convert to Islam. Will not return to army duty until the justice is served, says brother of soldier killed by DMK councillor demands justice. Prabhu, an Indian army soldier, was killed by the DMK councillor and his aides in Tamil Nadu. His brother Prabhakar, also a soldier, demanded justice and said that he would not return to the force until the murderers are punished. The central government on Wednesday sanctioned 7 new battalions to strengthen the Indo-Tibetan border police force guarding the India-China LAC. The 7 battalion have 9,400 new posts. The decision, which was long pending, was taken in a cabinet meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Following this decision, the strength of ITBP in terms will increase on the India-China border. Swapna Suresh, a key accused in the gold smuggling case and also the Life Mission scam, applauded the arrest of the Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan's former aide M. Sivashankar by the Enforcement Directorate. Swapna Suresh alleged that the entire family of the Kerala CM was involved in the Life Mission scam. We will show a big change in the Yamuna in 6 months. The campaign has been started from here. I do not want to comment on this CM not participating in this program. My work is to give fresh air, a good environment and a clean Yamuna to the people of Delhi, says Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena. In Nasik, Maharashtra, 2 newborn leopard cubs were found in a sugarcane field on Tuesday morning by farm workers in Marhal village. The forest department and rescue teams rescued these calves. Lieutenant General Resham Bali would be the next Corps commander of the Fire and Fury Corps headquartered in Leh, Ladakh. The Corps is responsible for looking after the high altitude mountainous border with both Pakistan and China. Mobile data traffic in the country has risen to 3.2 times over the last 5 years as the pan-India data usage per month grew from 4.5 exabytes in 2018 to 14.4 exabytes in 2022. An Indian on an average used 19.5 GB, Nokia said in its annual Mobile Broadband India Tariff Index report. In Punjab, BSF has recovered 2 packets of narcotic items suspected to be heroin wrapped in a cloth near village Dalla Rajput in Amritsar. The Indian community spreading across the world has achieved its own milestone and is today an enormous asset to both India and to the country where they live in and the world, said External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar in Fiji. Guwahati High Court questions government's crackdown on child marriage, fate of lakhs of young girls under serious threat. The Assam police began a crackdown on the child marriage across the state on February 3. So far, 3,015 people linked with such child marriage have been booked under the POCSO Act 2012 and the Prevention of Child Marriage Act 2006. The development and the welfare of the tribal community is also a matter of personal relations and sentiments for me, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi after inaugurating the Mega National Tribal Festival at Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium. We will be back with news at 9 tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.